bonitas, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do the Undecorate with me. It's already January 10th and I still haven't done it. I've been prolonging it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get everything done today. And then I do have some new decor for my sitting room that I want to add on there, see how it looks, to see if I like it or return the stuff. But I'm excited for that. But yeah, and welcome to all of you guys who are new, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. My name is Alejandra. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go ahead and get right to it. We're gonna go ahead and start here in the fireplace. We're gonna go ahead and put the nativity set away and all my other decor, and then of course we're gonna go ahead and bring down the tree and the little snowman as well. I have the boxes here. For it. This is one of the items we got for here, the sitting room. Can't wait to see how that looks. And then of course this is going to be removed as well, which let me go ahead and start off there. Makes a huge difference without it. So these garland I got from Michael's. I was so excited to put these on. I did miss a piece to make it all the way to the top, but next year I do want to do a bulkier version of it, more decor, and maybe with even lights. What would you guys put? Leave a comment down below with some suggestions. Now, my most popular TikTok was me decorating this area here, and I was so excited that many of you guys really liked it. Now it's time to go ahead and put it away. I went ahead and bought some stocking holders on Amazon. I really love them because they did get stuck or glued on into the fireplace. That way they would not fall. And then that wreath, I believe I got it at HomeGoods, and it's in one of our previous vlogs. Now let me tell you, I was struggling putting the nativity set back into its pieces. It took me some time, but we got it done, and then Peter put it inside the box for me. Now here I'm just showing you guys that I did remove the decoration from the tree. My mother-in-law came over and we did that together, but I did not film it. So we're gonna go ahead and continue to remove everything else. I went ahead and went over to my TV console. That was one of my favorite areas of the living room, just because, you know, it gave a little bit of holiday spirit, and I am going to use some of these cabinets as storage for some of my holiday decor, just because not everything is going to fit in the plastic container that I have, and I just think it's going to be more easier access for next time around. My lovely husband decided to come give me a hug, and once I told him I was filming, he got super shy. I thought that was so hilarious. I was so sad to see all my decoration go, but it was time. I needed a more simple look, more empty. I'm trying to go into more minimalistic. I don't want to buy too many stuff, but you know how I am. I can be a little extra. But I went ahead and started vacuuming because all the glitter from the decor was all over the floor. Now that we're gonna go ahead and get everything out of the sitting room, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and start to vacuum everything. I did want to dust the fireplace first. I want to have everything nice and clean before we bring in new stuff. Even though I'm not gonna decorate the fireplace just yet, I still want to have it all clean. Okay, bonitas, so I'm just going to show you a snippet of what I had in mind for my sitting room. I really am trying to work with what I already have, which is this velvet couch. I did purchase those 2 seats and the rug, but we're going to definitely be returning the rug. We are keeping the seats. I absolutely love, and I'm going to try to work with what I already have at home. That way I don't have to purchase too many things, and I don't want it to look too cluttered. But yeah, definitely that carpet was not a vibe. I still want to paint this area white, so we still have a lot to go. But we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave comments down below. What do you think I should add here?